Welcome to Coding Classic. In this video, we will learn how to create animated input field using HTML and CSS. Before we begin, kindly follow or subscribe for more. Let's begin. Create your necessary files, which are HTML and CSS. Add HTML boilerplate. Link your CSS to HTML. Go to the body and start coding. Start by creating div container class name input box. Then add input text, span and I tag. We are done with HTML. Here is the HTML structure. Let's start styling our project. Starting from the body. The output. Next is the input box. Next is the input. The output. Let's style the span. Here is the preview. Next is the eye. Here is the output. We still have more things to add. Here is the preview, but there is an error somewhere. Let's debug. I found the error. I did not include color here, so let include color. Here is our final project. If you like this video, kindly subscribe for more. And don't forget to like and comment. Thank you.